It is thick.
Yeah, really nice.
It smells so delicious too.
Perfect for the coffee lover. So it's not the traditional peanut punch that we custom to have it.
Yeah. I love the twist on it. Hey guys, it's me, Natalie, and welcome to Yuh Drinkin. And on this episode, we will be making a traditional peanut punch.
So we're gonna start by grabbing our blenders. Let's set it right here.
Okay.
If you wanna help me with some peanut butter, we just want like about a quarter cup or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I know it's kind of hard to work with.
2 tablespoons. Okay, we're going in 1.
Yeah. Nice.
And next, you can just put all. No?
I mean, who doesn't like a bit extra peanut?
We can make a rich peanut punch. No, we'll save some just for.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Just about a half cup of milk.
Okay.
Full cream milk, that is.
Full cream, so it's extra rich.
Yeah. Condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
So you can also do this dulce de leche style and put it in the oven for at least 2 to 3 hours and you get a nice texture of like a dulce de leche style condensed milk.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So that's about a quarter cup of that.
How long in the oven?
Just about 2 to 3 hours.
So if I feel for a punch right now.
I mean, you can do it and store it in your fridge for future reference.
Okay, so it can be stored. Okay,
yes.
great.
Right? Some vanilla extract, just about a tablespoon or so. I just want to blend this up.
Okay. Don't forget the cover.
Yeah, for sure.
I know it's a good press.
However, I love blending before adding ice to just combine all those flavors together.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Which is different to what I'm accustomed seeing, because when I buy peanut punch from my peanut punch man, they put everything together.
Yeah, they have those special time blenders.
Okay.
Just about a scoop and a half of ice.
Right.
But that's subjective to depending on the style of ice that you're using as well, right?
Okay. So ice is not ice?
No, there's many different types of ice. There's hard ice, then there's these ice that tends to dilute much faster. So just a food for thought. Ice, like if you notice clear ice, that has very little ice, water particles or air particles inside of it. Sorry.
Okay. Yes.
So therefore it melts much slower.
Okay.
Right? So clear ice melts much slower. I'm just gonna blend this up. And that's good. Really thick and nice. So just grab me the cup on the side of you. Right? So just gonna set this aside for a second.
Right.
And grab me the bar spoon. So you wanna get
okay.
You wanna get two bar spoons, 2 bar spoons of sugar.
2 bar spoons. 1, 2.
And 2 bar spoons of instant coffee.
Okay. Why I almost pour that into the original container.
Right. And just a splash of cold water.
Okay.
Or room temperature water. Right?
Yeah.
And we're going to take our handheld mixer and blend this to make a Dalgona style coffee foam.
Okay.
So eventually, within 5 to 6 minutes, you'll see it starts foaming. See how it gets after a couple minutes of blending?
Yep.
Nice.
It's so thick.
Yeah.
And rich. Just like the punch.
So now you can just assist me with scooping this foam into the glass. You can hold it.
It is thick.
Yeah, really nice.
It smells so delicious too.
Perfect for the coffee lover. So it's not the traditional peanut punch that we custom to have it.
Yeah. I love the twist on it. Okay.
Alright. And there's a dash of bitters.
Right.
You can do the granola both styles, either blend it inside or just top it off over as a garnish.
Okay.
Right? You sure?
Sure.
It almost looks like a sundae.
It does.
A dessert, right?
Yes, it does look like a dessert. It doesn't look like your... Oh, I'm going to taste this.
So try and tell me what you think.
So good, so rich, so smooth still. You know what I like about this? When I asked him if he's going to mix the granola within it, because that's what I'm accustomed to. But I love the smooth texture of the peanut punch.
Without the nut
harsh
granola inside.
Yeah.
Right.
So you have the granola still on top, but it's controlled. So you can always enjoy that after. So delicious.
Thanks.
I love it.
So cheers. Hope you guys try this classic or traditional peanut punch with a twist right at home and subscribe to Foodie Nation.
Yes.
Cheers. Do enjoy.
Cheers, guys.